I think that the Whatcom Community Foundation is outstanding because they have a deep understanding of what our community needs. They understand that the needs really are ranged from the basic types of needs, basic care needs that families have, health and shelter and medical services, but they also understand that there's a sense that the community has to adjust itself and become something different.
There's this recognition that we're all in this together. The Community Foundation has brought new people to the table, new donors, people that never even saw themselves as donors before, who are contributing and having an impact. They've changed the way we all think about ourselves. Funders aren't just funders. They're people that are there to make things happen. Nonprofits aren't just nonprofits providing services. They're part of the whole idea of philanthropy as well. I think we all see now, because of the way the Community Foundation operates and connects all the dots in our community, that we have to work as partners to make what we want to see happen in Whatcom County.
One of the things that was most impressive about the Community Foundation was their work on the Campaign for the Arts. This was an activity here in Bellingham that raised capital funds for a number of major institutions, arts institutions, our theater, our museum, organizations of that ilk. I was a considerable donor to that, and it reassured me that the foundation first made sure that the funds were used efficiently, but also I was impressed that the board represented me in those activities, and so it made it easy for me to give to them. What I'm really concerned about is the funds we've left behind continue to serve the people of this community. And the Whatcom Community Foundation gives me a sure way of having that happen.
They get that to build a strong nonprofit infrastructure is really the best guarantee that they have that the investments that their donors are making are going to make a real difference in the community.
The Whatcom Community Foundation's impact is far-reaching, and on a daily basis, any family that visits the Children's Museum, whose child is active in an environmental program through the school system, who goes to the Deming Library, who has received help from the Bellingham Food Bank, has in some way been touched by the Whatcom Community Foundation. They're involved in some way in all facets of our community life.